In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Zoho CRM. If you're using Zoho CRM and need to expand your team or bring in new members, adding users effectively is crucial. This ensures that everyone has the correct level of access and visibility within your CRM. So, let's dive right in and learn how to set this up smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM as an administrator. This is crucial because only users with administrative rights can add new users to the system. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the Setup icon, which looks like a gear. This setup area is your control center for managing everything from user permissions to setting up modules, and it's where you'll find everything you need to manage your team. Next, within the setup, navigate to the section labeled Users and Control. In some versions, it might be under Users and Permissions. Don't worry if it takes a moment to locate. The interfaces can differ slightly between versions, but rest assured, it's there. Inside Users and Control, look for the Users option and click on it. This takes you to the Users page where you will manage all the members of your CRM. Now, it's time to add a new user. On the Users page, you should see an option that says Add New User or just a simple plus New User button. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up a form where you will enter the new user's details. You'll need to start by filling out the required fields. Begin with the first and last name of your new user. It's worth noting that while the first name is optional, entering both gives a clearer identification. The last name, however, is mandatory, so be sure to include it. Next, type in their email address. Make sure it's a unique address that isn't tied to another existing CRM account, as this could cause confusion or errors during the user setup process. Moving on, you'll need to assign a role. The role is significant as it defines what level in your company's hierarchy the user will occupy and what they will be able to see. Choose the role carefully to ensure proper permissions and viewability within the CRM. Following that, pick the user's profile. Profiles are about defining access rights throughout various CRM modules. Determining this accurately ensures that your new user can perform their job functions without unnecessary barriers, or, conversely, without overly broad access. There are also optional fields for additional information, such as phone, address, and date of birth. Including these could be useful for record-keeping or internal contact needs, but aren't mandatory for account creation. Other fields can include preferred language settings, which can enhance user experience within the platform. Once you have filled out all necessary information, click Save. This action will trigger an invitation email, instantly inviting the new user to join the CRM. They'll need to follow the instructions in the email to set up their account. And that's all there is to it. Adding new users in Zoho CRM is a straightforward process that empowers your team to collaborate more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.